Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the cake flex on Valorant. I'm just going to select the 5 years event pass here. I'm just going to select it. It's like in the homepage area. And then as you can see, you'll need to play games so you can get the 5 years flex cake. You'll need 21,400 XP. I'm still on tier 4 because I haven't really played this game, and to equip it later when you get this, you're just going to go to the collection bit, go to expressions here, select it, and go to flex, and you'll find the cake here. Select the cake and then press any of these tabs to press equip, and it's going to be there when you play the game, and you'll have that cute little cake as your flex. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!